All right, this is data handling lesson 1. So what we're going to be looking at is we are going to first need vocabulary. So I recommend that you pause this video and write down each word. I'm going to go through all of these and I will end on the vocabulary word at the end of the video, so you can also pause the video at the end. Chart. Chart is data or numbers in a table, graph, or diagram. So what does that mean? So it's numbers represented kind of like in a picture. So there's many different kinds. This is a chart. This is a chart. This thing this little boy is holding is a chart. This thing that this man is pointing to is a chart. The thing the little boy is standing on is a chart. They're all different kinds and they all have different names. This is a bar graph. This is a pie chart. And today we're going to be focusing on pictograms. Symbol. A symbol is a mark that represents something else. So some examples that you've probably seen quite a lot are things like the hashtag or this sign. And they're just symbols that we have used as in a society that we know means something else. This one is also a big popular one. What does that mean? Money, right? So instead of saying money, if I show this symbol, you know that means money. Represent means to stand for something else. Easy way, this symbol represents money. Key. So this, obviously, there's the keys that you have for your house or your motorbike or things like that. But this key is for a chart. So it explains the symbols. If I go to this one, the only one that has a key is this one right here that tells me what each of the symbols mean. This one is missing a key. I need to know, what does blue mean? What does red mean? What does yellow mean? I need to know that. So that's what a key is this little thing that tells you what each thing means. Column, those are the ones that go up and down vertically. So this table has 3 columns. One column has the word, one column has the translation, and one column has the definition. Finally, pictogram. Those a picture symbol. You can kind of think of it like emojis. So right here, this pictogram is apples. This has all the different apples. I look at the key, this bottom part right here. So this bottom part is the key. And this key tells me that one red apple equals 10 and one of this half an apple equals 5. So to figure out how many apples there are, well, I just need to count. So I have 3 red apples, each one equals 10, 10, 20, 30. This one has 2 red apples and 1 half an apple, so it's 10, 20, 25. There's also different ways that you can show pictograms. So this one shows that they're all different, right? So this one says rain, snow, sunshine, and lightning. And then this one has days it occurred. So even though they're the same symbol, they have different words right here. So either one is fine. The thing that you need to look at is the key. So this key says that each one of these little rain clouds equals 2 days. This one says 1 day. If you don't look at the key carefully, you would think that it snowed more days here than here, because this has 2 and this has 4. But if I look at the key, each one of these symbols equals 2. So this really is 4 days. And this one is also 4 days. So we have to be very, very careful that we look at the key carefully. So your job is to copy your data vocabulary down in your math notebook.